Hiya, little thunder. Brilliant. It's been gorgeous all day, absolutely beautiful. Lucy's been on the wall, but she doesn't want to come in. She's happy, look. Oh, did you see the lightning then? You coming in, Luce? She doesn't normally like thunder, but she's quite content to stay under there. You coming in, baby? So he's spitting at the moment, lightning again. Quick nose at the garden while I was here. I love thunder. My poor mum hated it though, she was terrified. Lucy, coming in, baby, hey? I know you're sheltering under there, but I'd sooner you were in. Love at the good thunderstorm though. Prefer you to be indoors though. Cliff's put plants in there. Doesn't that sound relaxing? Are you coming in, sweetie? Hey? You coming in? Come on. I'm going to get her in a minute. Wow. It's getting heavier again now. Are you going to come in, Luce, hey? Come on, sweetie, let's get you in. I'm going to put the phone in, then I'm going to come back out for her. As soon as I move the chair... Wow, listen to that. She got off the chair as soon as I moved it, so I couldn't get to her. Luce, I want you to come in. She's quite happy, to be honest. Are you coming in, baby, hey? Alright, get back up on your chair then. She's sheltering, she's so clever. Shouldn't maybe have my phone outside in the thunder, should I? Is it raining, Luce, and thunder? God, you can hear it. Wow, did you know that I caught that lightning then? I wonder watch it doesn't strike my phone, shouldn't I? Where's she gone? She's still under there. Are you going to come in, sweetie, hey? Lucy? You coming in, baby? Come on. She might follow me in. Right, Lucy's in. She came in on her own. So you safely in, aren't you, Luce, hey? You staying now. That was a big flash of lightning then, but I missed it. Wow. Missed the lightning, but I didn't miss the thunder. I'm so glad Lucy's in. To watch my phone, it's raining. I'm not putting a brolly up. But Lucy's safely indoors now. All the bulbs been washed and ready for next year. I just love thunder, I love video and thunder. So I'm just waiting for the next bang. To watch my phone now. Maybe it's passing over us now. The rain's getting heavier though. Seems further away now though, because we haven't had another flash since before. I'll do another garden update one day, but today is just a bit of thunder. hear it. Hello, good girl. She's happy. Right, it seems to be passing over us now. The rain's not even heavy. You can still hear it a bit. Look, the flowers have come out. Right, I think I'll finish this now. At least you've seen Lucy's perfectly safe. Perfect. Okay, thanks for watching. See ya.